Hello, today we're going to be making the walls that we textured last week into a modular building parts. To start off, we're going to tear the floor off with the V key and then line that up to the outer edge of our wall, making sure that our floor is square. Then we're going to add an edge loop to the wall and duplicate it. I'm going to make 4 copies. Only 2 of them will be used to make the wall. The other 2 will make sure that everything lines up properly. So let's disable the ability to select these walls and start up. First we need to remove the unneeded faces like these ones. This selection will just be a quarter of our wall and the floor. We can double tap G to slide the edges as well as move the UVs at the same time. We're going to slide them over to the side and snap them just here. When the wall is done, we can do the same for the roof, except we're going to move the vertexes, not the edges. Once that's done, we're going to do the same to the other side of the wall as well, deleting these faces, sliding the edges over, and moving these vertexes. Now to finish off this part, snap the back to each other like so. We won't need to edge slide this time. When that's done, we're going to make a small bit of geometry to cover up the roof's seam line. Select these vertexes and duplicate them, then extrude them out to match this corner part just here. Then just move it down, UV unwrap it, and line it up with some of the wood texture that we've made for our wall. Don't forget to assign the new material. Last but not least, delete these n-gons on both the meshes and then join them together, and then we're just going to merge them by distance. With that done, the hard part is now over. Now we just need to make a copy and add an edge loop to the floor, and move this vertex over like so. Then we're going to delete half the mesh and then just mirror it over. We're going to make another copy of this mesh again. This time we're going to delete the back side and mirror that over. Then back to the last part, we're going to extrude this edge loop back to the wall, and we're going to add some edge loops here and then line them up. Don't forget to UV unwrap these parts as well. The last part we're going to make is the end cap. Once more, copy over the corner and move it over and slide this vertex. And then this time, delete the other half of the mesh and mirror it over. And with that, we are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.